Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G200 5G, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. And now we have to focus on capture settings category. Here we can find leveler option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to camera, and here at the center we have access to our leveler. It is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture, and as you can see, when this line is at yellow color we can be sure that we hold it steady. And of course, when we don't need leveler, we have to move back to right corner settings, tap to capture category and turn it off here. So for now in the preview the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.